Welcome. Before beginning, please take a moment to understand the purpose and limits of this recording. This guided exercise is intended only for the development and practice of internal resources. It draws from attachment-focused resource development methods associated with the work of Dr. Laurel Parnell. This recording is not a complete EMDR therapy session. It will not guide you through traumatic memories, identify targets for reprocessing, or provide individualized mental health treatment. EMDR therapy involves assessment, preparation, treatment planning, trauma processing, and clinical judgment provided by an appropriately trained mental health professional. This exercise is not a substitute for therapy or for the care of a qualified healthcare professional. Please listen only while you are in a private setting where you can remain physically supported and undisturbed. Do not use this recording while driving, operating equipment, or performing any activity that requires your full attention. You remain in control throughout the exercise. You may keep your eyes open, change any part of the imagery, pause the recording, or stop at any time. There is no right way to experience this practice. Some people notice clear images. Others notice thoughts, emotions, body sensations, or simply a sense of knowing. Nothing needs to be forced. If difficult memories begin to emerge, or if you become significantly distressed, disoriented, disconnected from the present, or unable to settle, stop the recording. Look around the room, notice where you are, notice today's date, feel the support beneath your body and your feet against the floor. Seek support from your therapist or another qualified mental health professional before continuing. These exercises are intended to strengthen resources, not to process trauma independently. When you are comfortably oriented to the present and ready to begin, allow yourself to settle into a supported position. We will begin. Welcome back. Today we're going to return to your healing sanctuary. Before we begin, take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Allow yourself to notice the chair supporting you. Notice your feet resting on the floor. Notice the air around you. There is nothing you need to accomplish during these next few minutes. Simply notice. When you're ready, allow yourself to return to your healing sanctuary. Notice where you arrived today. Perhaps everything is just as you remember it. Perhaps something has changed since your last visit. Perhaps you've added something new. Take a few moments to simply look around. Notice what draws your attention today. As you begin walking through your sanctuary, notice the familiar paths, the places you've already discovered, and any new areas that may be waiting to be explored. Take your time. There is no rush. As you continue exploring, today we're going to invite a new resource into your sanctuary. This figure represents wisdom, not perfection, not having every answer, simply wisdom. The ability to see clearly, to understand, to remain patient, and to recognize what is true. There is no need to search for the perfect figure. Simply allow yourself to become curious. Who or what might naturally represent wisdom for you? This figure may be someone living, someone who has passed away, someone from history, someone from your faith, a fictional character, an animal, or someone your mind creates today. There is no right answer. Allow whatever naturally appears to unfold at its own pace. As this figure begins to take shape, simply observe. Notice how they carry themselves. Notice their posture, the expression on their face, the way they move, the way they look around. Take your time becoming familiar with them. Notice their eyes. How do they look at you? Is there patience, kindness, curiosity? Perhaps something else entirely. There is no need to force anything. Simply notice. Perhaps they smile. Perhaps they simply offer a quiet presence. Whatever naturally belongs to them is enough. Notice their voice. Perhaps they speak softly. Perhaps firmly. Perhaps they communicate without words. There is no correct way for wisdom to be expressed. Allow your mind to discover what fits naturally. As you spend a few moments together, notice how they make decisions. There is no urgency, no pressure, no judgment. They do not rush toward conclusions. They simply take time to understand. If it feels natural, perhaps imagine asking them a simple question. It does not need to be an important question. Simply notice how they respond. Perhaps with words, perhaps with an image, perhaps with silence. Perhaps nothing comes today. Whatever happens is perfectly okay. Remember, this figure is not here to make your decisions. They are not here to take control. They simply offer perspective. You remain the one who chooses. As you continue walking through your sanctuary together, perhaps you notice a place where this wise advisor naturally belongs. Maybe a quiet study, a cabin, a garden, a workshop, a library, a porch overlooking the landscape, or something entirely different. Allow them to settle into whatever place feels right. There is no need to decide immediately. Simply notice where they seem most at home. Take a few moments to look around this place. Notice anything that reflects who they are. Perhaps books, tools, plants, artwork, music, simple furnishings, or very little at all. Allow their surroundings to reflect their quiet wisdom. As you prepare to continue your own journey, know that your wise advisor remains here. There is no need to remember everything they know. There is no need to solve every problem today. Simply knowing they are here, available whenever you choose to visit, is enough. Take one final look around. Notice your wise advisor in the place they now call home. knowing you can return whenever you wish. Now begin bringing your attention back to the present. Notice your breathing. Notice the chair supporting you. Notice your feet resting on the floor. Notice the sounds around you. Take a slow, deeper breath. Notice today's date. Notice where you are. Allow yourself to become fully aware of this present moment. Gently move your fingers, move your toes, and when you're ready, allow your eyes to open. Take one final breath and welcome yourself back.